Now, you and I got to take an adventure one day because you were wanting to do granite countertops in your bathroom since the cabinetry was going to, we just needed to make some changes in there. So what was that like for you?
Well, first of all, I actually relied on your knowledge. And
that's scary.
I know. And you're blonde too. Actually relied on your knowledge for helping me through that granite selection process, because I was not familiar with it. It was kind of interesting going from marble to granite, and so
you made a wonderful selection. It just matches your cabinetry beautifully.
That was the thing that I was most concerned about, because after finding out that I had custom cabinets, I'm like, holy moly. And so I'm like, okay, custom cabinets. Now, exactly what does that mean? And when I saw the dollar signs behind what that meant, I'm like, okay, you guys, conserve the cabinets, okay? Do whatever you need to do, but save the cabinets.
Yeah, and they are beautiful. They are beautiful and very well made. So you're blessed that you have that custom cabinetry in a wonderful workspace there with your sinks.
Yeah.
So that you can have all the things we ladies need on our countertops.
Yes.
So we look good.
Yes. As you can see, I didn't use them today, but that's neither here nor there.